Hi, I'm Ray. Welcome to Gardening Online. Well, today we're at the allotment and it's September. And crikey, where's that month gone? So now, lots of stuff being harvested, not much being grown. But we are going to do a few bits today. But first of all, I'm going to show you around the garden, show you what we've got growing still. So last year we decided to do sunflowers, and the sunflowers have been amazing. And they're so colourful, and the bees are just loving them. So we still have some beetroots in, and look at this. How about that for a size of beetroot? It's a monster. The run of beans has been very slow, but we're taking some off, and the more we take off, the more it grows. We're taking them off fairly small, as some of these big ones now are forming the beans, and we can save some of those for next year's growing season. This is my calendula, and they have lovely flowers, but we can save some of these seeds and we can grow them next year. Just pop off the heads. And the little curly look like thumbnails. Look like other seeds, so we can harvest these for next year. So the swede was a bit of a late crop, and they're not exactly a round swede, they're a bit long and a bit odd shaped. I think that was the variety that we planted. So the strawberries need some attention, and we actually tidied up all the paths and the table, and it's all looking a lot nicer now. So this was the pea foam that we built, and the peas were really rubbish this year. But I have just put a late crop of sunflowers in. They probably won't do much, but it's something to watch. And they might come, if we get a bit more heat for September, they might grow. If they don't, then it doesn't really matter. So, as with many people over the UK, it's got hit by blight. And this is my outdoor tomatoes. Now we can just see all the stems turning brown and the tomatoes are turning brown too. But it was an experiment. Our first this year was for growing some cucumbers outside. I've never done that before, and we used the tomato cages because this year we did not do so many tomatoes, and typically we didn't do so many, we didn't get so much, but different ideas, different plans, different weather, who knows. But we have actually got 2 cucumbers growing outside here, which is quite good. So I'm just going to twist these off, take them home for our harvest. It's pretty good for outdoors, quite pleased. So these are the courgettes, and these are round ones. And look at that. Really pleased with that. Looks good, doesn't it? The colours on it. And over here, there's the normal courgette. Gone a bit crazy. And this is the multicoloured sweet corn. So the pumpkin arch is doing really good. I'm not sure quite what's going on with the grape. Lots of them have been dying off. But we do have some new shoots coming too. So I've got an empty bucket, compost, and we've got some carrot seeds. So the carrots we're going to grow in here are Amsterdam 2 solo forcing. So we're in September and it's a bit late. I'm just going to sprinkle them around the bucket. And then we're going to cover the bucket with the remaining compost on top. And there we go. Plant it down. And we're going to give it a good water. These are going to stay outside. And then they're going to go inside the polytunnel when it gets cold. We also need label Amsterdam carrots. Job done. So there we are, quick tour of the allotment plot and the garden. A lot tidier than what it was. There's still a few bits growing, still a few bits harvesting. So thank you very much for watching. If you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. So thank you very much.